We know now that we have a very good chance that it will happen because of Trump being firm in his position to coerce both Bibi and Hamas to an agreement and to release the hostages. And the hostages have no time. They are suffering, they are tortured, they are dying, and we have to keep on pushing until we get them back.
My son was at the Nova Festival, and he was also fighting in Kibbutz Be'eri for his life. And yet we are horrified by the atrocities that are happening right now in the Gaza Strip, and we are anxious for this war to end, and we are hopeful that the end of this war will commence the peace process, and hopeful that we will all be able to get forward into a peaceful region, hopefully in the next few years.
We are suspended between hope and dread. We have lived through Hamas lies before. We cannot let another deal collapse. Not again. President Trump, we stand with you. Do not stop. It is now or never. תודה רבה. דרור, גיא אילוז, מוחמד אל-אטרש, רונן אנגל, מתן אנגרסט, אלקנה בוחבוט.
רגע לפני שמחת תורה אנחנו עומדים פה, רגע לפני הזכרות של כל מי שרץ אל האש בשביעי לאוקטובר ונפל, ואני עומדת פה בחרדת קודש אל מול הנופלים, ואני קוראת להנהגה הזאת, האחריות שלכם לסיים את המלחמה ולהשיב את הדר שלי כסמל בראש כולם, ורק אז נתקן ונשקם.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.